Alright guys, welcome back. In this video I want to show you how you can actually compress your large file video or large video on your phone. Maybe probably you don't have enough space to keep all these large files, so you can actually compress them on this particular app called Video Panda. Now this is Video Panda over here, Video Panda, and you can always download that on Google Play Store. Now let's go ahead and see how we can make use of the app. Now never mind the advert is part of why the app is still very much available. Now let me take you to, now this is the original videos already on my phone. Original video, you see that this is our original video already on my phone, and this is album if you want to shoot from album also. These are compressed video. This is where you find them. Any video that you have compressed, you find them there. Now let's go ahead and pick a video. Now I want to pick a video that is 213 megabytes. This video is 213 megabytes. Now we have here, I've picked it. Now I'm picking this video. Let me mark it so you see what I'm talking about. This video, we have 13 mega, 213 megabytes. Now the next thing now is to click on it and click on next. Look below right hand side and you're going to see next. This is next over here. You click on next. And let's go there. Now this is where you are going to choose the size of the video that you want to create. Set size. You see that? We have the small file size. You have the small file size that is easy to share, but the quality might not be okay. And we have the medium file, better quality. And we have the large file, just compress. That is, you just compress it, but it will still be large. The quality will still be there, but a kind of little reduction. But it's not advisable. Now the right one you go for is the medium file size. So let's click on that medium and see what we have. So the next thing, when you click on it, you click on compress. This is compress. Now you just go ahead and click on compress. Now it's compressing. Never mind the advert. Alright, now it's compressing, it's loading, so you have to wait for some time. Depend on the kind of video you want to compress, how large or how long it is. Now I will have to pause this to save our time. Sorry. Alright, welcome back. The video panda is almost done. 100% now done. Now let's go check our video and let's see what we have as the result. Now as you can see from above here, you see this is 200 megabytes, the original video, and this is 20 megabytes, the compressed video. Can you imagine that? Isn't this amazing? It's really amazing. Now let's compare the two videos and see how quality they are to each other. Now down here is the original video. This is the original video. You can see that this is the original video, and the upper one is the compressed video. Now let's play them one after the other. I want to play this first, the compressed one first. Now just try and look at the quality. Check the quality. Now let's go back to the other one. You see the quality of that one. Now let's check the original video. You see the quality here. So it's almost the same thing. There are no much difference in them. So can you now see how amazing this app is? Now the next thing you'll be thinking of is to save your job. Now this is it. You see right here we have save, and here we have share. If you want to share them immediately, depending on the kind of video you are composing. And here you want to replace, meaning, let me explain this. If you want to replace here, if you click on this to replace, it will, that is the compressed video will replace the original video, which is the 213 video will be replaced by 20 megabyte 230 megabyte, then we will replace by 20 megabyte video. So then this 213 will be deleted. That is the meaning of this replacement here. That is, if you click it, and if you want to keep the two videos at the same time, you only click on save like this. You are going to click on save. Now let's go ahead and click on save and see the result. You see, compressed video will be saved. They are showing you the location where you can find the video. Then you click on OK, or you want to change the folder, you want to take it to any folder, you can always do that too. You can just click like this, then you find the folder. You name it, you can name it, you can create a folder, that is Video Panda. You see, you click on confirm, then you click on this. Now you now come back to OK. Now, sorry for the advert. Yeah, the video already saved. Now if you want to replace, you see, original video will be overwritten by compressed video. You will gain 93 megabyte free space on your phone. So they're asking you, maybe you are sure or not. But right here, I'm not replacing because I still need the original video for other purpose. So I'm not doing that. So I will leave it. So now I want to believe you understand how to make use of this app now, and you enjoy watching this video as much as I enjoy creating this for you. And go ahead and just implement what you have just learned. Thank you, and see you in the next video.